What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today I'm showing you how to play Living Hope by Phil Weekend. It's gonna sound like this. How great a chasm that lay between us. How high a mountain I could not climb. In desperation I turned to heaven and spoke your name into the night. Then through the darkness your loving kindness tore through the shadows of my soul. The work is finished, the end is written. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Who could imagine? Cool, guys, so that's the song. It's gonna sound like that, and let me just give you an overview of what we're gonna learn. We're gonna do the chords, the strumming, and we're gonna go through all the chord progressions. I'm gonna show you how to play this song. Okay, so first things first, capo on the first fret, and this song uses our D set of chords, and you can get them just by going visiting the course link below. It's absolutely free. Then you can look at all the chords in the key of D, and you can see other songs that are on the same level of this song. Okay, so let's quickly go to a close-up, and we're going to do the chords. Okay, so the chords for the song is simple: D, A sus4, which in the key of D you can use an A sus4 really anywhere where there's an A, especially with worship music, but that's a regular A, but in this we use an A sus4. How great the chasm that lay between us, and then a G. So when you're going from A to G, just take your pinky, put it down below the ring finger, and take your middle finger to the top. And remember with this chord to mute the fifth string with the middle finger, just slightly touching it. Okay, and then the B minor, keep the ring finger where it is, 2, 0, 2, B minor 7. That's the chord we're going to use. Cool. I could not climb. So those are all the chords that this whole song uses. Okay? G, D, and B minor. Alright? Simple. Okay. That's it, yeah. That's it for the chords. I don't think I skipped anything. You can sometimes use a D sus2, so just take off that finger. You can use an A sus2 like that instead of an A sus4, and you can use a G. You can use, yeah, this is probably, you can add this finger if you want to with the G, if you're more comfortable with that. Remember with the B minor to mute the top string. Okay, now let's do the strumming. The strumming for this song is pretty simple. It's just a down strum. So we're just going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're just going to count like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you can also do pattern 2.2, which goes like this: 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. On a D it will sound like this. Make sure to keep that constant motion with your right hand. So accents on 2 and 4, that's for the strumming. Okay, now let's go back to the chord progressions for the song. They are pretty simple. There we go. Okay, so the chord progressions for this song are very simple. You can download them all and download the PDF, but I'm just going to go through them with you quickly. For the chorus, for the verses 1 and 2, it's basically D, A, G, B minor, A. Okay? Just sorry, man, I'm out of shot here. Okay, let's just do that again. Verses is D, A, G, B minor, A. And then D, A, G, A, D. Da 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 and then it's got a second part that goes like this. What's the words? Yeah. The second part goes G, B minor, da da A, da D, A, da and then the chorus. Holiday, da da A, B minor, and that repeats 3 times. G da da A, B minor, da da da, D da 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 da, and then the last line is G A D. This my living home. So that's it. Verse 3 has got some different chords there at the end, but I'm gonna leave that up to you to play through the song and get that right. But it's got a B minor going to a D/F sharp. If you don't know how to play a D/F sharp, then check out the course for free, and you can learn how to play all the chords in the key of D that are commonly used in the key of D. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Cheers.